else is doing fine. I'm back with y'all today to do a little rant. I'm just gonna be on a rant. And I think I like rants more than anything. But anyway, my first rant today is about Katt freaking Williams. Dude, when are you going to stop? You're one of the most funniest men in America. And you can't never be successful because your ass always going to jail. Okay, if anybody hasn't heard, Katt Williams was arrested at the Portland airport for assaulting his driver. And apparently it was over his dog being transported too. I don't know if the man didn't want the dog, transport the dog or whatever, but I guess it was like a Lincoln Town car or something. So they got into it, and apparently Katt Williams left some bruises and stuff on the man and fled in another car, but they actually caught up with him a little bit later. And the thing is he was on his way to one of Nick Cannon's Wildin' Out events, which Nick Cannon's on tour for Wildin' Out. He couldn't even do the event because he got arrested. Then he gets arrested and finds out that he has an out-of-state fugitive warrant in Atlanta. So now they're talking about extraditing him back to Atlanta. I just don't get it. Get upset at a pool store, you throw something at the clerk, then you get into it with a 17-year-old boy that whooped your ass, and now you just don't lost it. I mean, and then everybody thinking, okay, he back. He with Nick Cannon, he making some money now. And a lot of people saying that, oh, he got a $2,500 bail, he can't get himself out. No, he probably can get himself out of jail, but that out-of-state warrant, fugitive warrant, is going to keep him, regardless if he paid or not. If he paid it, he was still going to be stuck there. So, why waste money? Send his ass back to Atlanta. But I thought he was doing so good. I was like, I saw one of his little skits he did on Wildin' Out. It was really funny. Now you're in jail. You're gonna be back in Atlanta in jail. I mean, come on, dude. It doesn't take that much. And then you got trifling ass shit to say about Tiffany Haddish. And then Kevin Hart has to take up for her, but you can't say nothing bad about nobody. Nigga, you just out there like it's okay to just be hitting people for nothing. You know what I'm saying? If you get upset, walk away. Walk away. Because 9 times out of 10, because of your history, your ass gonna be the one going to jail. Especially if that person has bruises on them. Can't believe you when people give you the benefit of the doubt, you fuck it up. Nick Cannon gave you the benefit of the doubt. You were supposed to be there that night at the Improv performing. And where you at? You assaulting somebody at a damn airport over your goddamn dog. You too as a person, and you gotta have common sense when you're traveling. You need to find out, okay, I'm bringing a dog with me. Let me see if my dog's gonna be able to ride in this vehicle. If not, find another transportation that will allow your dog to be transported. But you don't, I mean, I love animals. I have a little bird. You in jail because of your dog. I mean, I know some people will do that, but you in jail. Now your ass caught because you was already running from the law. Now because you want to be stupid, now ain't no telling when you gonna get out. But I had a lot of respect for you, but I done lost a lot of respect. I done lost it because over the years you are just like, you're just really trifling. I mean, looking like the mayor from Whoville. I mean, come on. Grow up. When the fuck are you going to grow up? He was 13. He became an emancipated minor at the age of 13. So he could get away from his parents. I feel, and you were living anywhere, everywhere at the time, but I feel at 13, no one needs to be an emancipated minor out there thinking they can do for their own. That's probably why your ass so fucked up right now, is because you left your parents. You basically probably didn't, I don't know, I'm just saying, didn't want to do what your damn parents said and thought your ass was grown, and then you out there you came up though. You actually became a comedian, a stand-up comedian, and you're fucking good at it. That's the whole thing. You're fucking good at it. And don't get me wrong, I love Kevin Hart, but you are fucking funny. I think you're a little bit funnier than Kevin Hart. Y'all have two different styles. But you could be out there where he is if it wasn't for your background and 10 assaults so far. What the fuck you think you doing? You think just because you got money that you're gonna get away with this? Hell no. Money does not get you out of trouble. It might get you in trouble and maybe you won't do a little year, 6 months or what about like that. Like T.I. did his year. Then got in trouble again. Went back and did another. But you're not gonna get out of that. I mean, it's ridiculous. You need to straighten up and fly right. I mean, what has to happen? Does something drastic have to happen to you before you realize, damn, I ain't no damn pimp for real. I need to stop acting like I'm a damn pimp and I got authority over everybody and I can talk to people however the fuck I want to talk to them and I can treat them however the fuck I want to. Open your eyes and realize you can't do that. So I just want Katt Williams to know that grow up. This is a new day and age. We are not pimps and hoes from the 60s and 70s. Grow the fuck up. I mean, you got however many children you say you have. They're looking at you and it's not helping them. It's gonna put them in trouble because they think you are their role model. They're thinking they can handle people any kind of way, probably like you. You gotta set a good example for your kids when you have kids. People that I thought weren't gonna be good role models are good role models for their children. I don't care what T.I. and Tiny go through. He's a good father. Snoop damn Dogg is the awesome dad. We need to be out there and showing not only our children, when you're in the eye of the people, you're not knowing it and you probably don't want to be, but you become a role model for other people's kids. You become a role model. You're a star. Some people don't want to be role models, but you're in that business. Kids look up to you. You're a role model whether you want it or not. So just try to straighten up. You need some anger management classes or something. You need to go, I don't know, but you probably need to go to the same goddamn place where Chick-fil-A send their employees, because I don't know where the hell Chick-fil-A send their employees, but them motherfuckers is nice as hell. I don't know if they got a boot camp somewhere or what. They have the most respectful people, and it don't matter where a Chick-fil-A is, what town, what city, their employees are freaking awesome. And I guess because it's a religious place, that might be one of them, but that's what you need to be. You need to be in somebody's church. You need to be finding Jesus somewhere. Because at the end of the day, you are going downhill, brother. You are going downhill. You don't even look like yourself anymore. You are going downhill. And that's all I have to say for Katt Williams. The next person I'm going to be talking about is Brett Kavanaugh. I don't know what happened. I don't know if you did it or not. You're innocent until proven guilty. But it takes longer than a freaking week to investigate somebody. Why do the fucking investigation when you already know, regardless of what was said, y'all was gonna already fucking choose him as a Supreme Court judge anyway? So that was a waste of fucking time. And sometimes you shouldn't fault the victim. You're not supposed to fault the victim, but at the same time too, why are these women waiting years and years and years to come out with this? I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, and the thing about it is, when you were up there testifying, you were cocky as hell. That's why I see why your president likes you, because you were cocky as hell. And you just really didn't give a damn. You thought some of the shit was funny. I mean, I didn't think it was funny. I mean, because you had Bill Cosby, whatever he did or whatever, if he did do it, he did it. And he did admit that he was doing it, but they knew about it. But at the same time look how many fucking years it took them. It took them like 2-3 years to fucking investigate Bill Cosby. Have a trial, convict him. A week? That is not enough time to find out anything about anybody. And then you got another woman coming out. Okay, it was your school days, why you coming out this late? But at the same time, look at Bill Cosby. Look at all this shit that people, I mean, from way back when I was little. He did this to me and I didn't know that he drugged me and blah, 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 or whatever. But I just feel like with Kavanaugh that it was just a win-win situation anyway. He was going to win regardless. And I don't believe they really did a full investigation anyway, because you can't do a fucking full investigation in a week. I just don't see it. You have to contact all of these people, and then you have to see if their story's true. Did any of them take a lie detector test? What happened? These women testified. This other woman wanted to testify. She wasn't allowed to testify. You were giving the first lady, like, not even a week. Y'all didn't even give her a week to try to testify. She had to testify right then. So I'm like, it was just a win-win situation. And when you know that when men have power, or if they're popular in school, they might do some crazy stuff and whatever. But if you did it, you did it. You're wrong. I feel like the investigation should have went on longer, and you shouldn't have. I feel like you're more of a threat to society if you have done this to these women. You're more of a threat than fucking 81-year-old Bill Cosby. What he gonna do to somebody? Just said he was a threat, a violent threat. What the hell he gonna do now? Just sit there and rot and die in prison? I mean, I hate to say it, but I hope he do. But I don't think if he just does do the 3 years, he's not gonna make it. But I feel like Kavanaugh is more of a danger than Bill Cosby. He's younger, he's stronger. I mean, Bill Cosby was stronger back in his days, but now he's like 81 years old and he can't fucking. Those women can whoop his ass with no problem. But that's how I feel about the whole Brett Kavanaugh situation. I just feel like they didn't give him time enough to see if he was guilty or not. So I just think everything was a waste of time. And for that being said, y'all, let me know what y'all think about this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And just, tell me how you feel. I'm on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. So just hit me up on one of those and just let me know. And if you guys ever want me to talk about something, just let me know. Hit me up on those and say I want you to talk about this. I want you to talk about that. And I got you covered. I got your back. So just let me know. Thank you. I'll see you next time.